I've had the privilege of being a juror at the LIAs for several times. It's always a great experience. Being in Vegas is just generally a lot of fun. But I also find it to be just an incredibly collaborative and loose and fun experience where we get to enjoy the work together. I think being president was a special honor, and again, just sort of working with the group. I have to say it wasn't particularly difficult because everyone was terrific and such great professionals with so many different perspectives. So it was more honestly just being a part of the whole thing. The biggest trend, I would say, I felt like the selections of work from the agencies were maybe a little more thoughtful. The work you're seeing is definitely a cut above. So I think it becomes a little harder to make judgments because you're looking at stuff that in general is pretty good, and then it becomes more about nuance and texture and some of the other things. And health and wellness always has I think a high level of craft. I think at least this year in our jury for the pharma side, I think there was some really, really nice stuff. So I was excited to see that because I think sometimes pharma gets left behind a little bit, but I think this year pharma showed up strong. This year in the health and wellness craft category, we awarded the Grand LIA to a piece called 47, which was a beautiful stop motion piece. Again, when you talk about craft, it doesn't get any more crafted than that. It is specifically about Down syndrome. The piece was, the animation was incredibly just sensitive and well done. And then there were just many layers to it. They reworked, adapted a song from a band called Carry On from a band called Fun, I believe, and they re-recorded it with musicians who also have Down syndrome and the lead singer of Fun. So there were just all these incredible touches, and again, just in terms of the pure animation and the storytelling, you know, you're talking like Oscar short level. So it was incredible and very well deserving. This year in pharma and medical craft, we awarded the Grand LIA to a piece called Ash Versus, which was a film done for Moderna around a campaign called Changemakers. It came from my agency, TBWA. You know, I was very fortunate to be part of it as the Chief Creative Officer. I have an exceptional group of talented, not just creatives, but the whole team is incredible, and this was a labor of love, and of course, our clients at Moderna are incredible partners. So it was a privilege.